I'm speaking today as part of the Digital Futures Festival, brought to you by Employability Bridgend. Whether you're hoping to work in the digital sector or not, you need to use digital to create your CV, and it's important to get it right. In today's job market, employers will see so many CVs and cover letters, it can be hard to choose who to interview, which means your CV needs to stand out. In this video, I'll be sharing top tips for doing just that. It might sound obvious, but keeping your CV up to date is really important. When new opportunities come along, you'll be ready to respond and not waste any time showing your enthusiasm. As you progress at work through any training or volunteering you do, you'll develop skills and knowledge. Reviewing your CV regularly and adding new skills and experiences means you won't miss out on any of the details. It will also be a confident boost as you see your progression. Don't leave any gaps in your employment history. If you've been unemployed, show what you've been doing during that time. For example, taking a course, volunteering, keeping up with the industry developments. You may have travelled, taken parental leave, or gone back to education. Make sure you focus on the skills you've learnt during this time. 2 pages is considered the maximum length for a good CV. Being brief and staying relevant will look professional. There's no need for a photo or personal information like date of birth to be included. Save the space you would have used for the important stuff like connecting your skills to the job you want. Focus on highlighting your strengths and prioritise by putting the skills you are most experienced in first. Choose skills that reflect the job you are applying for. Before you send your CV off to a prospective employer, think about the job you are applying for and whether you have shown the skills they are looking for are part of your skill set. Read the job description carefully and use it to shape your CV so that your skills are reflecting what the employer is asking for. Matching your skills and experiences in this way show the employer you have thought about the role and make it easier for them to see you as a good fit. Speaking of skills, you've probably heard lots about transferable skills. Not all skills are the result of qualifications. Skills like communication, teamwork, using technology, creativity, imagination, problem solving, are abilities you have learnt that are relevant across all professions. These skills can be a way for you to show you can do the job even if you aren't the perfect match for the job description. Spend some time thinking about your own transferable skills and make sure you shout about them. Choosing the right words to describe your skills and accomplishments is powerful and persuasive. As you are keeping it brief, using an action verb is a great way to confidently show off what you're doing. Words like contributed, accomplished, learned, adapted, managed, organised, all help you to say what you have done in a positive and concise way. Before you send your CV off, proofread. Using the correct spelling and grammar shows your attention to detail, your communication skills, and your professionalism. Want to look reliable and qualified? Then check your spelling. If you want your CV to make it through applicant tracking systems a company might be using, don't use fancy fonts and jumbled layouts. ATS uses algorithms to scan CVs. Your CV might get rejected, even though you're the perfect match for the job. Applied tracking systems are also used to scan CVs for particular words. Using keywords can be the difference between your CV being seen or ignored. Using the job description will help you show your industry knowledge. Keywords will show you've made the effort to show how you'd be the best candidate. If you are able to get through the ATS, you're already showing your knowledge of the digital world. Understanding what you did previously will help a potential employer understand how you will be valuable to their organisation. Be honest about what you did, but make sure any job title you use links with your job roles and responsibilities. You may be a digital dynamo, but if no one knows what that is, they won't be able to relate to the job they are recruiting for. Don't forget that the right job title can give you a better negotiating position if you do get offered the job. Your CV is how you sell yourself, so make sure you are highlighting what employers want to see. Remember, you need to show off your skills, experience, and knowledge. Make sure you show how you contributed to success by including your achievements and showing how it benefited the company. Clearly express your ambitions for the role. That could be something like how you want to develop and learn and grow within the company. Make sure you are including what matters and leave out anything that doesn't add value to what you are saying. Our final and most important tip is get in touch. Employability Bridgend offers free support to the people of Bridgend on their journey towards finding meaningful employment. We offer a range of services and resources to help individuals develop the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the job market. We have a team of experts providing personalised support and guidance tailored to the specific needs and goals of the people we work with. Through our programmes and initiatives, just like the Digital's Futures Festival, we aim to empower individuals to unlock their full potential and achieve their career aspirations. So what are you waiting for?